Hi everyone. In this video lecture, we will discuss about a very powerful antioxidant that is lycopene. Apart from this, we will also discuss the structure of lycopene, properties of lycopene and its health benefits. So let's start the video. If you want to simplify your studies, then make sure that you hit that subscribe button and bell icon as well so that you don't miss my upcoming videos. Bioactive compounds are natural compounds that have wide range of physiological effects, means they have various health benefits, such as they act as antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, anti-tumor, antiviral, anti-mutagenic, and also they have cardioprotective and hepatoprotective properties. These bioactive compounds have potential uses in the fields of food, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and textiles. When bioactive compounds are derived from plants, they are known as phytochemicals, and when bioactive compounds are derived from animals, they are known as zoochemicals. So, lycopene is naturally derived from the plants. It is not naturally derived from animals. So, that's why lycopene is a phytochemical. Now, there is a large classification of phytochemicals as you can see clearly from the picture. Carotenoids and phenolics, these are the two main categories of bioactive compounds. Now, just pay attention to carotenoids. Carotenoids are red colored phytochemicals responsible for the red to pink colors observed in many fruits and vegetables. And lycopene comes under carotenoids classification. Besides lycopene, alpha carotene, beta cryptoxanthin, lutein, zeaxanthin, astaxanthin, these are also present. So we can say that lycopene is a carotenoid. I hope you have understood properly. You can pause the video and read the chart more better. Carotenoids are unable to synthesize in the body. So the only source is intake from foods like fruits and vegetables and supplements. The highest source of lycopene in the typical diet is tomato, providing at least 85% of all the dietary lycopene. Although other food sources such as guava, cranberry, pink grapefruit, apricot, watermelon, and papaya also provide lycopene but in very smaller amounts. This is a structure of lycopene. The molecular formula is C40H56. The structure contains 11 conjugated double bonds and 2 unconjugated double bonds. Now, what are conjugated double bonds? If a chemical structure contains more than 2 double bonds and the double bonds are placed in an alternating pattern with single bond, then it is called conjugated double bonds. Alternating pattern means after double bond there should be one single bond. Then again there is a double bond. Only then it is called conjugated double bonds. In lycopene structure, 11 conjugated double bonds are present and 2 double bonds are unconjugated as they are not present in an alternating position. All the carotenoids except lycopene contain beta-alanine ring. Beta-alanine ring gives carotenoids vitamin A activity, which means it can be converted to retinol. But in lycopene, the beta-alanine ring is absent. Therefore, it lacks provitamin A activity. That means it can't be converted to retinol. This is a picture of raw tomato, and raw tomato is having all trans configuration of lycopene. And because of all trans configuration of lycopene, raw tomato is not easily absorbed into the body. On the other hand, tomato products such as purees, ketchup, sauces, juices, these are having cis configuration of lycopene. And because of cis configuration of lycopene, tomato products are easily absorbed into the body. Lycopene is more easily absorbed from cooked tomato products rather than raw because of breakdown of cell matrix by heat, which makes lycopene absorption more efficient. Heat induces isomerization of lycopene from all trans to cis configuration and makes it more bioavailable. Cis isomers are more soluble in bile acid micelles and incorporated into chylomicrons. Then the chylomicrons transported to the various tissues such as liver, adrenal gland, testes, prostate glands and lungs. Then ingested lycopene is then oxidized and metabolized into the body. Now these are the health benefits of lycopene. I have already made a video on mechanism of antioxidants. You can click on the I button and directly jump into that video. So that's all for today. I hope this video lecture would be helpful for you. Thank you.